Hey people, so we are at this place called Zena, and if you were to take a look, it is quite an interesting place. And for just like $2.95, you get this peri peri.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Best French fries I've ever tasted.
It is good. So Ayush, what's your opinion of this place called Zena?
It's a 9 on 10.
Yeah, I mean, Ayush is a child, so they made him wear that, you know. Oh, there's a pool table and something here that was written Orange Army. Looks like a nice place, yeah. So you would recommend people to come here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.